The episode sets in the autumn season where people are wearing lightweight clothes due to the weather. In the next scene, we are shown Kazuya and his friends talking about what will they do in the holidays and talking about their future plans. Scene changes and now Kazuya is at work and asking his boss that how should he make a girlfriend which is out of his league. And then his boss replies that you have to go to every place where she wants to go and it doesn't matter that you like to go or not. You just have to go. Then after the work, Kazuya met Mizuhara because he rented her for the day and both go to a cafe and order coffee. Being a gentleman, Kazuya takes out his wallet to pay Chizuru for the day, but Chizuru tells him that he doesn't need to rent her every time and said that I know you wanted to support me financially and wanted to fulfill my dreams, but I can do also make money with my other clients. After listening to this, Kazuya starts thinking that yes, she is right, I don't have a right on her, I can't force her, and then Mizuhara starts saying that Mami don't want me to see you and you also made promise to Ruka-chan and if we met again and again she will feel bad. Then we saw a flashback of Kazuya and Ruka-chan where Kazuya is explaining to Ruka-chan that he is only renting Chizuru because he wants to support her financially to support her dreams. After coming out of the flashback, both Kazuya and Mizuhara leaves the cafe and Mizuhara thanks Kazuya for the treat. In reply to this, Kazuya asks Mizuhara to talk to him normally as she used to do and don't fake it. In reply to him, Mizuhara denies and told him that this is an opportunity for her so that she could practice acting. On hearing this, Kazuya felt bad but immediately told her that she is the ideal girlfriend material for him. This made her feel blushed and to hide her expressions, she says that okay, it's fine cause customer is king, she will obey, and said bye to Kazuya. Immediately the clock hits 5 and Mizuhara stops Kazuya from going home and asks him to go with her as her job time is over. Then both goes to a place where Mizuhara plays baseball in a net and continuously hitting the ball making home run. Seeing this, Kazuya got surprised and praised her for the game. Apart from the two main leads, we were shown some males who were constantly checking out Chizuru and wanted to talk to her, but they assumed that she has come with a boyfriend. After playing baseball, Mizuhara raised her hand to high-five Kazuya and on seeing it, Kazuya also does it. Both becomes happy and leaves from there. Then again Mizuhara asks Kazuya to go with her to visit her grandmother as her grandmother wanted to see Kazuya. On reaching hospital, they both met the grandmother and her grandmother offered juice to Kazuya and held his hand and starts being touchy to him. On seeing this, Mizuhara gets jealous and told her grandmother to keep distance from her boyfriend. Kazuya got shocked and felt good by listening this, but Kazuya know that she is faking this in front of her grandmother. Then Mizuhara went outside to fill water. In absence of Mizuhara, her grandmother asked Kazuya that if he had saw Mizuhara's show or not, and if yes, then have you complimented Mizuhara or not? Replying to her, Kazuya says yes and appreciates Mizuhara's work and tells grandmother that she is an awesome actress. Listening to this, grandmother says that Mizuhara have felt very nice since you complimented her and told Kazuya that she is a needy child who wants other people care. Kazuya got shocked after listening to this as Kazuya's up till now thinks that Mizuhara is a very strong girl as she is hardworking. Requesting to Kazuya, grandmother says that please stay with my child forever and help her. Replying to this, Kazuya told that she loves Mizuhara and will always be with her and take care of her. Then Mizuhara entered the room and both leaves the hospital. While heading towards their home, they both walk together and Mizuhara asks Kazuya that what were the two of you were talking about in my absence. Changing the topic, Kazuya said nothing much special and both reached their home and said goodbye to each other. Now Kazuya laying down on his bed starts thinking about that will he be able to take care of Mizuhara or not in the episode ends. To watch the next part, please subscribe to the channel and you can also comment what anime explanation you want.